Define. Definition. Definition of what? Spermatogenesis and spermiation. When you read these both terms, they look very similar, but they have a very thin line or very minor difference in both these things. So we need to cram these definitions. This is very, very important. Let's start. Spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa is known as spermatogenesis. What? Transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa is known as spermatogenesis. Students, what? Transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa is called spermatogenesis. So we are done. Now, spermiation. What is spermiation? The process of release of sperm from seminiferous tubule is known as spermiation. So students, after spermatogenesis, spermiation takes place. So the process of release of sperm from the seminiferous tubules is known as spermiation. This occurs, spermatogenesis occurs inside Sertoli cells, whereas this is the process where mature sperm will be released from the seminiferous tubule. So, the process of release of sperm from seminiferous tubule is known as spermiation. Okay, students, so we're done with question number 8.